Okay, chef. Now you're going to cook for us Shan noodle.
Yeah, Shan noodle.
Thank you.
And first, I can explain to you. First, we have two kind of noodle. Yes, this is fresh Shan noodle. This is dry noodle. Can I suggest to you this fresh noodle is more sticky and more tasty? Yeah.
Oh, more tasty. It's your
Yes,
preference.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, of course.
This is fresh, huh?
Yeah.
Fresh rice noodle, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Of course, put it there.
Okay.
Yes. Put in a pot of water.
Okay. Just to warm it up.
Yes, only 10 seconds. Yeah.
10 seconds. Not
10
even.
seconds enough. Yeah.
Okay.
Second. Yes. Put on the bowl. Yes.
And
This is Shan gravy.
Shan gravy. What's inside
Yes,
it?
Shan noodle gravy. Inside that, chili, garlic, onion, tomatoes, and chicken also.
Very
Yes.
nice. Wow, lovely rich color there.
Yes.
That was made beforehand, prepared beforehand.
Put there,
A little
and
bit.
then
This is
the bean sauce.
black bean sauce. So
Yeah.
a little bit.
Put there, and that taco powder.
And that is, you said earlier on, is Chinese cinnamon.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Similar to the
Later.
cinnamon, milder in taste.
Yes. We have
Peanut powder,
peanut powder, sesame seed.
sesame seeds.
Yeah. Okay, finished. This
This is
bean leaf.
bean leaf.
Yeah, bean leaf.
Oh, like, let me see. Can I touch?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is pea shoots. Yeah, we know this in Britain as pea shoots. Yeah. So the leaf of the bean. Yeah.
Yes. Dove. Yes.
Oh, you blanch it. And this is
Spring onion.
spring onion.
Yeah. That's it.
That's it.
Yes.
Excellent.
Now we finished.
Thank you.
This is Shan noodle.
There's a typical Shan noodle dish.
Yes, Shan noodle. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, chef.
That's it.